Should I use has underscore key or in on Python dicts? Given. Which of the following is the best way to check if A is in D?
And is definitely more Pythonic. In fact, his underscore key was removed in Python 3.x.
In wins hands down, not just in elegance, and not being deprecated, but also in performance, for example. While the following observation is not always true, you'll notice that usually, in Python, the faster solution is more elegant and Pythonic. That's why time eat is so helpful. It's not just about saving 100 nanoseconds here and there.
According to Python docs, has underscore key is deprecated in favor of key in D.
Use dict has underscore key if, and only if, your code is required to be runnable by Python versions earlier than 2.3, when key in dict was introduced.